I am Amrit Kaur, and I have chosen to work on the nervous system/sensory organs in parentheses development of brain and other special senses. The nervous system is the command center of all animal life, responsible for processing information, coordinating movement, and responding to the environment. Over millions of years, animals have evolved highly specialized nervous systems and sensory organs to adapt to their surroundings, enhancing their survival and behavior. From simple nerve nets in jellyfish to the complex brain of mammals, the development of the nervous system has been a key factor in the success of different species. Some animals have also evolved extraordinary sensory abilities, such as echolocation in bats, electroreception in sharks, and ultraviolet vision in birds, allowing them to perceive the world in ways humans can only imagine. In this presentation, we will explore the specialized sensory organs and their unique adaptations. By the end of this session, you'll have a deeper appreciation of how animals interact with their environment and the incredible diversity of their neurological and sensory capabilities. Let's dive in. Slide 2. Adaptations to terrestrial life. As animals transitioned from aquatic to terrestrial environments, they encountered numerous challenges that required significant physiological adaptations. One of the major challenges was the loss of the lateral line system, a sensory mechanism used in water for detecting mechanical and electrical stimuli. To compensate, terrestrial vertebrates developed alternative sensory structures. For instance, eyelids and tear glands evolved to keep the eyes moist and protected from desiccation and debris. Slide 3. Chemoreception in terrestrial vertebrates. Chemoreceptors, which were previously exposed to aquatic surroundings, became internalized within the nasal cavity in terrestrial animals. These receptors play a crucial role in detecting pheromones for intraspecific communication. In species like snakes, the vomeronasal organ, in parentheses Jacobson's organ, allowed them to detect chemical signals interspecifically, assisting in prey detection and environmental awareness. Slide 4. Development of proprioception. With the increased reliance on limb-based locomotion, proprioception, the body's ability to sense movement, action, and location, became essential. The evolution of muscle spindles provided enhanced proprioceptive feedback, allowing precise motor control and coordination, especially in vertebrates that rely on agile movement. Slide 5. Sensory adaptations in amphibians. Amphibians have evolved highly specialized sensory systems that aid in survival. Frogs, for example, possess bulging eyes, an adaptation facilitated by the levator bulbi muscle, which allows them to elevate their eyes and increase their field of vision. Additionally, frogs and toads have developed powerful vocalization abilities, crucial for attracting mates. Their vocal sacs amplify sound, making their calls audible over long distances, an essential adaptation for mating communication. Slide 6. Auditory specialization in amphibians. Amphibians have unique inner ear structures that enable them to perceive a broad range of sound frequencies. Two specialized auditory tissues play distinct roles. Papilla amphiboreum, sensitive to low-frequency sounds, allowing amphibians to detect distant or substrate-borne vibrations. Papilla basilaris detects high-frequency sounds, contributing to communication and environmental awareness. Slide 7. Sensory adaptations in gymnophiona, also known as caecilians. Caecilians, belonging to the order of Gymnophiona, have significantly reduced or completely absent eyes due to their fossorial burrowing lifestyle. Instead, they rely on specialized tentacle-like sensory organs, which are extensions of their Jacobson's organs. These structures detect chemical cues in the environment, functioning similarly to a tongue, allowing them to navigate their surroundings and locate prey. Slide 8. Unique sensory adaptations in chameleons. Chameleons have evolved independently rotating eyes, allowing them to scan their surroundings with exceptional precision. This enables a 360-degree field of view, crucial for spotting prey and avoiding predators. Additionally, their highly specialized projectile tongue can extend rapidly to capture insects with remarkable accuracy, demonstrating a sophisticated neuromuscular adaptation. Slide 9. Neural organization in snakes. For Module 3, I have chosen to explore the organization of the snake brain. Researchers utilizing computed tomography (CT) scans have discovered that snake brains possess endocasts, internal structures comparable to those found in birds and mammals. One fascinating example is the tentacle snake, Erpeton tentaculatum, an aquatic predator that relies on its densely innervated tentacles. These tentacles contain trigeminal nerve connections and specialized mechanoreceptors, allowing them to detect water disturbances. This adaptation enhances their ability to capture fish by sensing minute changes in movement, demonstrating a highly refined form of mechanosensory perception. Slide 10. Evolution of auditory perception in frogs. For Module 4, I have chosen to investigate how the evolution of the sensory system in frogs, particularly their auditory perception, has influenced their communication and reproductive success. Research indicates that frog vocalizations play a critical role in mate attraction. In terrestrial environments, sound waves interact with vegetation and soil, generating secondary vibrational cues. Studies show that female frogs are more likely to be attracted to a combination of sound and substrate vibrations than to sound alone, suggesting that multimodal communication enhances reproductive success. During the breeding season, multiple male frogs vocalize simultaneously in close proximity. Despite this acoustic crowding, frogs have developed an exceptional ability to discriminate individual calls, enabling effective mate selection in dense populations. This ability demonstrates the remarkable auditory processing capabilities of amphibians, shaped by millions of years of evolution.